Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello children. Welcome to my YouTube channel Accelerate to Achieve. I hope you all are doing well and safe. I am Sultan Sheikh, PhD scholar at Hamad bin Khalifa University, Qatar. In this video, we will talk about 10 tips and tricks to write effective personal statement. I know you are also worried about personal statement, so don't worry because you will write your personal statement by yourself after watching this complete video. Personal statement is one of the most important documents which you need to write to win a scholarship for undergrad, master's or PhD. So let's start the video. Tip number 1. You have to write your complete story without counting characters or words. You don't have to worry about the words right now, so you have to just write your complete story from childhood to the level you are now. Means make a rough draft of your complete story. Tip number 2. Keep in mind the requirements of personal statement asked by the university in which you are applying. Different university has a different requirements. Some university asks you to write 500 words, some university asks you to write 1000 words. So you have to keep that thing in your mind while writing your personal statement. Additionally, some university asks you to write specific things in your personal statement. So you have to go over these requirements. Tip number 3. Take time and refine. Do not write your personal statement in 2 or 3 hours. You have to work on it on daily basis to refine it. Tip number 4. Try to find the best words and expression. In short, do not use too fancy words or too basic words. Tip number 5. Concentrate on your strengths. You have to sell yourself to the university, so you have to tell your strength in such a way that university should buy you. Do not let committee members show that you need favor, or do not show your weaknesses. If you are showing your weaknesses, then also tell them that you are the strong person and you handled that situation and can handle such a situation in the future. Tip number 6. Start your personal statement with something interesting so that reader can be attracted towards your personal statement and he wants to know more about you. Tip number 7. Be honest. Do not say that you know Python language and you know only its spelling. It is completely wrong. So do not try to create your false image. Tip number 8. Do not copy from others. Many students copy from their friend's personal statement, which is totally wrong. If you are copying any sentence from any online website or from your friend's personal statement, then must check plagiarism at the end by using Turnitin software or any other guaranteed software. Do not use online tools. Tip number 9. Read out your personal statement loudly. Sometimes we are unable to see flow in our personal statement. So when you start reading your personal statement loudly, you can easily identify that where there is a gap in your personal statement. Tip number 10. Last but not least, ask someone to proofread your personal statement. We are unable to find our mistakes, so it is always recommended to ask your teachers, friends and family members to read your personal statement and give you suggestions and comments. So that's it. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment box section. And if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you next video.